We are gonna start with our left foot and step forward, left. Then bring the right together, right. Put your weight on it. Now again with our left in front and bring the right, but this time don't put your weight on it, just tap. Again. Left foot first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. And left, right, left, right. Again. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is half a step. Let's go back. We start with our right foot. So, back with our right, bring the left together, put your weight on it, then again with your right back, and this time when you bring the left, just tap with it and don't put your weight on it. Just tap. Again. Right foot first, and right, left, right, left. Again. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's do the full step. We start with our left foot and left, right, left, right. Now, right, left, right, left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.